VONG's 33% crash versus DFUS 25% drop shows exactly why diversification matters when markets tank. VONG crashed 30% harder than DFUS when markets collapsed. That's the price you pay for chasing growth stocks. Over 5 years, growth crushed it. VONG's 101% return beat DFUS is 72% by a solid 29 points. Over 3 years, VONG's 107% crushes DFUS 77%. That's a 30 percentage point lead for growth. Over the past year, both funds tied at 17%. Growth's advantage completely vanished in this time frame. VONG's aggressive strategy delivered big, crossing the finish line 29 points ahead of DFUS's smoother approach over 5 years. Both delivered 0.6 Sharpe ratios. Different paths, identical risk-adjusted efficiency. That's what we call a dead heat. VONG edges ahead with a Sharpe of 1.2, while DFUS trails slightly at 1.1. Pretty close overall. When focusing purely on downside risk, both funds are equally efficient with identical 0.8 Sortino ratios. Risk-adjusted returns are like report cards. VONG scored higher but stressed more. DFUS scored lower but stayed calmer. Graded on risk, they're actually tied. DFUS bottomed at negative 25%, while VONG crashed deeper to negative 33, 8 percentage points worse at the trough. Despite different crash depths, both funds recovered in exactly 439 days, identical healing timelines for completely different wounds. VONG's 33% plunge versus DFUS's 25% drop. That's the difference between white-knuckle panic and manageable discomfort on this roller coaster ride down. VONG's higher volatility means wilder swings, bigger thrills but rougher drops when markets turn south. DFUS offers steadier sailing. VONG's 21-foot swells mean wilder rides, bigger thrills, steeper drops. DFUS's 17-foot waves are gentler. In stormy ocean markets, calmer seas keep you steadier. VONG concentrates on just 394 stocks, while DFUS spreads across 2,393 holdings. That's 6 times more diversification. VONG crushed it with 101% returns, but here's the twist. Both funds have identical Sharpe ratios at 0.6, meaning they're equally efficient at managing risk. VONG's 394 holdings concentrate your bets. Bigger wins when you're right, sharper pain when you're wrong. DFUS spreads across 2,393 stocks for smoother rides. VONG's betting big on tech with 51% exposure, while DFUS spreads risk across sectors at just 33%. VONG's betting half its pizza on tech. When Silicon Valley wins, you feast. When it stumbles, you're stuck with crumbs, while DFUS diversifies better. VONG wins the cost battle here. Its 0.07% fee undercuts DFUS by 2 basis points annually. $20 a year on 10,000 invested. That's the difference. Cost isn't deciding this battle. That 2-cent gap is like couch change lost between cushions. It matters over decades, but it won't make or break your retirement plans. So which fund fits you? VONG's for aggressive growth seekers, while DFUS offers a smoother, more balanced ride. VONG is like a marathon runner sprinting the first mile. That 51% tech bet delivers podium finishes when it works, but risks complete burnout when it doesn't. Before we wrap up, let's cover the legal disclaimers that protect everyone involved here. If you want more data-driven ETF battles like this, hit subscribe for weekly breakdowns that cut through the noise.